Hello guys, this is Shubhati. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn about TREATAS function. So what this function do? Let's see. It is very important function. So here you can see this is our table, orders table. This is our orders database. So uh, in this orders table, so we want to know about profit. What kind of profit? We want to know profit December 12, okay, and November 13. Okay, so we want to know the specific data. We want to know only specific 2012 December data and 2013 November data. So how you can achieve it? Let's see. So here we have seen I have taken calculate function and calculated total profit. Okay, I am calculating total profit, then filtering it out with TREATAS function. So what TREATAS function doing? TREATAS function retrieving the specific data 2012 comma 12 means December, comma 2013 comma 11 means November. So and here you can see date table, year number and month number. So what is year number and month number? For this is year number 2012 and month number is 12. So how we can get year number? For this we have to go date table. In the date table, I have created month number. Here you can see month number. So what month doing? This function month is retrieving only the month. Okay. Here you can see it is creating another column. In this column, there are, if I filter it, here you can see 1 to 12 data. 1 to 12 months. So month function is retrieving only the month number, which month is going on. Likewise, year function is retrieving only the year. Okay, here you can see 2011 to 2014 data. Year function is retrieving the year number. So in the visualization, what we have done, calculating total profit. Okay, then I am filtering it with TREATAS function. So what TREATAS function is taking two parameters. One is what we want as output 2012 and 2012 data, in 2012 December data, and in 2013 November data. In second bracket, then comma, date table, year number and month number. So if we run this, it will retrieve only December data and 2013 November data. Okay, here you can see I have created a bar chart. Ship mode, second class and first class, same day. Only here is profit only December 2012 data and November 2013 data. Okay, so if I want to know only 2012 data, we can write like this. Here I only want year number. Okay, I do not need any month. So here you can see it is getting only 2012 and 2013 data, whole year data. Okay, whole year data. It is not taking the month number. If I want January data, 2012 January data, then 1, and 2013 March data, then 3, and here comma, then date table, month number. If I run this, it will take Here you can see it is calculating on it have taken only 23,000. Okay, here it is taking 2012 January data and 2013 March data. So TREATAS function works like this. Okay, so I think this tutorial was helpful. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my work, please like the videos. And if you have any query, please comment in the comment section and support my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.